Next up, the factory dressing room key. This one is super profitable. What you need to do is head across to Valley, then all the way to the small factory on the far north side, and find your way downstairs here. There's multiple entrances, one here, all over the place really. I usually use the entrance around the back to get downstairs, as it's usually the safest. Let's go. Approaching the back here, you can usually see if people have been here, obviously by dead scavs, but also by the crate around the back. If this has been looted, then someone's definitely been through here. I did see someone here previously, so I'm not completely alone, but it's usually a good sign. Then, heading up the back here, we'll need to enter this room over here, which is usually the quickest way down. Alright, so getting some crazy player kills. Anyways, what you want to do is head down here, so down the stairs, and we can use the keys down here. Let's do it. Okay, so the dressing room, you'll head across to the right here, into this room, and over here, you'll find a locked door. This is the one that we need to open with the key. Now, I've already got the people's loot who came in here, but there's essentially 2 jackets, a vault, as well as a weapons case. This is a super worthwhile key to use. Anyways, hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.